Hi, it is lesson 57 practice set for rate word problems. And our first problem is one that you're going to see a lot of. Angela drove 55 miles in 1 hour. At that rate, how far can she drive in 6 hours? Write an equation to solve the problem. And so I've written up some of our information. Our equation is going to look like this. 55 times our hours equals the number of miles, n miles. So they want to know how far will she go in 6 hours. So we're going to say 55 multiplied by 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Take our 3. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. So 330 miles in 6 hours. I find that when I'm on a road trip, this comes in really handy when we're driving and I'm trying to figure out in my mind how long we'll be in the car before we finally get to Grandma's house, or how long we'll be in the car before we get to where the place that we want to go. So you can find this will come in handy for you. Our next one is Barack swam 20 laps every day. How many laps will he swim in 1 week? Make a table to solve the problem. Now I've put our 20 laps in 1 day, but we want to do 20 laps. So if he does 20 laps in, let's see, I'm going to change this around, guys. So 2 days, we're going to go this direction, is going to be 40 laps. 3 days is going to be 60. 4 days, we know, is going to be 80. So I'm going to make my table so it looks kind of pretty. 5 days is going to be 100 laps that he'll have total. 6 days is 120 laps. And finally, 7 days, he will go 140 laps. And there is our answer for 7 days. 140 laps. This is a very useful formula, useful equations. You will use them a lot. I wish you well on homework.